Hello everyone and welcome to Little Jungle. Today I have a very fun project for that wall I just showed you. As you might know, I'm crazy plant lady. So I'm going to turn that wall pretty jungly with macrame and some pots and hooks. As you can see, I'm just gathering all my material. And here I'm just start to hooking up everything on the wall. It looks good, and it's time to go and start making our beautiful green pots to put them inside those beautiful macrames on the wall. Here you can see I chose this plant for my macrames. This is a snake plant, and the reason why I choose this plant is this guy is very very easy to deal with. It doesn't need that much water and it can handle any type of lighting in a room, so it's just a perfect candidate for hanging it on a wall, because you don't need to water it that much, you don't need to worry about the lighting, so the pots can stay pretty light because most of the time they're pretty dry. So I turned my plant to two, divided them obviously here, and I'm planting them inside those white pots, and they turned out so beautiful. They both look very full. I was really surprised. They look really great, and they're pretty much ready to go and sit in their new home. I'm so excited to share with you guys how it turns out. Would you do this idea at your own house? Please share your comments down below. By the way, I got these macrames from the Michaels, and the hooks from Amazon, and the pots from the Dollar Tree. So here for these little ones, we're just gonna put cuttings. So I put a little bit of water in these glass jars, and all I'm gonna do is go after my beautiful pothos and cut a bunch of, leaves, and just basically put them in those little jars of water and let them chill there. I'm sure they're gonna do great, and I don't have to worry about repotting them for a long time. Anyways, and here's the result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and a little bit inspired you to make your own green wall. I absolutely love it and really turned my space very warm and inviting. Please like and subscribe and come back for more videos I usually share every week. Bye for now.